In this video, I'll guide you through how to put button links on your Steam bio. If you're looking to make your Steam profile more personalized and easier for others to navigate, adding button links is a great way to do it. In this guide, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can update your profile in just a few minutes. To get started, open the Steam application on your computer. This is where you'll access your account, games, and community features. If you haven't installed Steam yet, be sure to download and install the official client before continuing. Once the application is open, look toward the top right corner for the Login button if you aren't already signed in. Enter your account name and password, then click Sign In to access your account. Take a moment to make sure you've entered your login details correctly before continuing, as this helps avoid unnecessary sign-in issues. After logging in successfully, you'll be taken to your Steam homepage, where you'll see your game library, recent activity, and other Steam features. From here, locate your profile name near the top of the application window and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. Select View My Profile to open your public profile page. This is the area where you can customize how your profile appears to friends and other Steam users. Once your profile has loaded, click the Edit Profile button. This will open the profile customization page, where you'll find several sections that allow you to personalize different parts of your Steam profile. Since we're focusing on adding button links, continue by locating the Custom URL section. In this section, you can create a unique custom URL for your Steam profile. Choose something memorable and easy to recognize, making sure it's available before saving it. A custom profile URL can make your profile easier to share with others and gives it a more polished appearance. After that, add the URL links where required for your profile setup. Be sure to enter each link carefully and verify that every address is correct and active. This ensures that anyone using your button links will be directed to the intended destination without any issues. Once you've finished entering your information, save your changes to apply the updates to your profile. That's all there is to it. Your Steam bio is now customized with button links, giving your profile a cleaner, more interactive look. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!